going to log into our NWEA testing. Test session name is math. Type in math, and the password is room 200. All right, is there anyone having difficulty with their computer?
Willie quickly bumped into Jeanette, but he wasn't looking for her. She volunteered to help. Willie knew she thought it was stupid how he always looked for food, but she didn't know how it felt to be poor.
Well, you know, this was a very good job of working in Boom Writer. She read chapter 1, and she began to write her own chapter in chapter 2. So we need to make sure that when we're working with Boom Writer, we read the chapter, and then we make sure that our next chapter pertains to our first chapter.
Go.
Look at this technology. We need iPads.
Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to study about the Titanic. Please open your anthologies to page 392.
iPads would be very helpful for this school and any school for the reason of there's a greener way to go, less textbooks, but yet it's the hands-on approach, and it gives the children a touch of reaching out and touching science and math and all of the vast education that can be gained from it. And this school is definitely a school that can use it.
iPads will benefit our children because each child learns differently, and using technology integrated with books and other strategies will help those children that don't learn just by books or desk teaching.
Hey, by getting iPads, it will enrich the value and the experience of the kids here at Owen Academy.
I think the iPad would be good for Owen Scholastic Academy because it would be good for the children to have a way of doing research. Not every child has a computer at home. So if the iPad was here at school, it would give the kids an opportunity to at least even learn how to operate a computer and know how to go about researching papers and subject material that are given to them by their teachers when they're not able to do it at home. So I think the iPads would be great for Owen.
So I want you to create 3/5 first. So now you create 3/5. And gentlemen, what I want you to do is come up here to the iPad. I want you to create 3/5 using the iPad. Click on the rubber band, and you're going to bring it up here to put it on here, okay? And then you have to stretch it out to what you want it to be. Then you have to grab it from the center and move it over to create your box. But you need to count to see how many you're going to make, because you need to make a fraction that shows 3/5, right? So when you put your next color, what other color are we going to use to go with orange? Red. Okay, come to the side. So you choose red. You have to pick it and you have to hold it. You have to drag it up. So then you have to make it a 3/5. So they're going to be 3/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll be perfect. Okay, so you gotta do that 3 times, 5 times. So when they're using an iPad, it's easier for them to make corrections and to do the coloring. Using the dry erase boards, when they make an error, they have to erase everything and go back and try to change it. Then the markers are sloppy. Then we got waste paper towels, trying to clean up and stuff. With the iPad, it's faster and it's easier for them to demonstrate the multiplication of fractions using the geoboards.